Next, we have to continue online class, second year maths, and then subject is mathematical statistics 1. Example 1. A random variable x has the following probability function values of x values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. P of x values 0, k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square, 7k square plus k. Number 1, find k value. Second one, evaluate p of x is less than 6, comma, p of x is greater than or equal to 6, and p of 0 is less than x less than 5. Third one, if probability of x is less than or equal to a greater than 1 by 2. Find the minimum value of a and determine the distribution function of x. Solution: since summation x varies from 0 to 7, p of x is equal to 1, k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k equal to 1. Adding the whole values, we get 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equal to 0. And then cofactors are 10k minus 1 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. K equal to 1 by 10 or k equal to minus 1. But since p of x cannot be negative, k equal to minus 1 is rejected. Hence, k equal to 1 by 10. Next, third one, p of x is less than 6 is equal to p of x is equal to 0 plus p of x is equal to 1 plus etc. plus p of x is equal to 5. And then values are is equal to 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10 plus 2 by 10 plus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 100. That means p of x is less than 6 means x values 0 to 5. So p of x is less than 6 is equal to 81 dividing by 100. P of x is greater than or equal to 6 is equal to 1 minus p of x is less than 6. X is less than 6 value is 81 dividing by 100. Applying the value is equal to 1 minus 81 dividing by 100. Cross multiplying 100 minus 81 dividing by 100, 19 dividing by 100. P of 0 is less than x less than 5 is equal to p of x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2 plus p of x is equal to 3 plus p of x is equal to 4. That means 0 to 5 x values. So assuming 1 to 4. So and then value is equal to 8k equal to 4 by 5. Third one, p of x is less than or equal to a greater than 1 by 2. We get a equal to 4. Number 4, the distribution function f of x is given in the adjoint table. This is the table. X value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. F of x is equal to p of x is less than or equal to small x. First value is 0. Second one, k equal to 1 by 10. 3k equal to 3 by 10. 5k equal to 5 by 10. 8k equal to 4 by 5. 8k plus k square is equal to 81 dividing by 100. Next, 8k plus 3k square is equal to 83 dividing by 100. Next, 9k plus 10k square equal to 1. That means k value is 1 by 10. Applying value, we get the answer. So next example 2, if p of x is equal to x by 15, x is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 0 elsewhere, find number 1 p of x is equal to 1 or 2, and number 2 p of 1 by 2 is less than x less than 5 by 2 dividing by x is greater than 1. Number 1 solution, p of x is equal to 1 or 2 is equal to p of x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2. So p of x is equal to 1 value 1 by 15 plus p of x is equal to 2 value is 2 by 15. So adding this value we get 3 by 15, cancelling 1 by 5. Next second one, p of 1 by 2 is less than x less than 5 by 2 dividing by x is greater than 1 is equal to p of 1 by 2 is less than x less than 5 by 2 intersection x is greater than 1 dividing by p of x is greater than 1 is equal to p of x is equal to 1 or 2 intersection x is greater than 1 dividing by p of x is greater than 1 is equal to p of x is equal to 2 dividing by 1 minus p of x is equal to 1 is equal to 2 by 15 dividing by 1 minus 1 by 15. 1 by 15 value means p of x is equal to 1 value. So is equal to 1 by 7. Next one, continuous random variable topic. First definition, probability density function. Definition, probability density function f of x of the random variable caps x is defined as fx of x limit del x tends to 0 p of x is less than or equal to caps x less than or equal to x plus delta x dividing by del x. Next definition, continuous distribution functions. Definition, if x is a continuous random variable with the probability density function f of x, then the function f of x is equal to probability of caps x less than or equal to small x is equal to integral varies from minus infinity to x f of t into dt, comma minus infinity to less than x less than infinity is called the distribution function, or sometimes the cumulative distribution function of the random variable caps x. Next one, properties of distribution function. Number 1, 0 is less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 1, minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Number 2, from analysis Riemann integral we know that f dash of x is equal to d by dx f of x is equal to f of x greater than or equal to 0. F of x is non-decreasing function of x. Third one, f of minus infinity is equal to limit x tends to infinity, f of x is equal to limit x tends to minus infinity, f of x into dx is equal to integral varies from minus infinity to plus infinity, f of x into dx equal to 0, and f of plus infinity equal to limit x tends to infinity caps f of x equal to limit x tends to infinity integral varies from minus infinity to x f of x into dx is equal to integral varies from minus infinity to plus infinity f of x into dx equal to 1. So f of plus infinity value is 1. Therefore f of infinity equal to 1. Thank you students.